Hello YouTube, welcome to the video. I am really excited because in this video we will add some moving background and this will make our game look pretty cool already. So let's get started. For our game background we will use the same image as we use for the menu background. As you can see, this image is quite small. He will not be able to cover the whole background. We need some container which will allow us to group elements into rows and columns. The ideal choice will be grid pane and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, let's create two private fields. And one private string for our background image URL. Now let's create a method which will create our background. Now we have to initialize our grid panes. Each grid pane will contain 12 images because that's the minimum amount of them to cover the whole background. We need two grid panes because when one of them will move, an empty space will appear and this space will be covered by another grid pane. I hope you get the idea. Let's use for loop to fill our grid panes. Set constraints is a static method that sets the column and row for the child when contained in a grid pane. Grid pane 1 start position will be 0, 0 and grid pane 2 start position will be 0 and minus 1024. Now let's add these grid panes to our game pane. Now we have to call this method. And let's check if it works. Okay, we have our background. Now it's time to make it move. The idea is simple. When JavaFX creates a new frame, we want to move our backgrounds a little bit down, and after running below the screen, we want to relocate our background over the top. Let's create this logic. Now we have to call this method. Right there. I hope it works. As you can see, we obtained the effect of a smooth, slow flight. It's pretty cool. That's all in this video. Guys, I will very much appreciate the likes and comments. It is really motivating for me. So if you would like to see more tutorials, please leave a comment, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you in advance and see you in the next video.